This will show you how to order possible through our standard PK. In a past time, people have called this approach. It's actually called a special order now. And I'll tell you this. I'm just going to go through examples of different types of most popular ones. For example, if you wanted an oversized. So we're going to hit New, Arquote F. So we're going to go into Regal Casement. Left. Individual. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to order a window that's 37 inches wide, which is actually oversized. So what you're going to see down here is you're going to see a message that says that the max frame width cannot be greater than 36. Now you need it 37. So what you're going to do is at the very end there is a question that says special order. So what you do is you answer yes to this question. When you hit finish, you will get this error message that says max frame width cannot be greater than 36, and with this button clicked. So you're going to say OK, and under here you're just going to type in oversized window and click on OK. So now what you've done is you've created an order that starts with the word special. However, you have not started the project review or the special order approval process. Now what you need to do once you want it approved is you click on this special order button. So what this will do is it will save the quote, and it will put this little arrow here, and the status has now changed to engineering. So that means that now it has gone into our system and we are currently reviewing it, and we will get back to you basically on whether or not that item will be approved. Now what happens to this line currently is that there's no price on it, so it's kind of like a dead quote. If you wanted to give a customer a sort of a price where you have one that's on, what I would suggest you do is you do one quote, put this in as 36 so that it goes in and it gives them a price, create an alternate, and then send the alternate in to us with the 37 inches. That way you can give something to the customer right away and say, we're going to revise it, we're going to get you a new price. Unfortunately, this is oversized, so you're going to have to wait a little bit, but it'll give them a chance that they can see something rather than nothing. So that's one of the most common ones. When you're entering this, you don't need to say that the order is 30. You don't need to say you need it 37 inches. I think it's whatever you entered is fine. Enter what you want. Don't enter 36 and then say you want a window that's 37. Because that's a lot more work for us, because we just have to go in and change it to 37. So the key is when you order is that you try to order something that most closely resembles what you need. So another example I'm going to show you here is if you want to order, say, a window with some special grids in them. So again, we're going to just put an order in 33 inches by 48. Now in this case, what I don't want you to do is you don't want to go here and say special order and then hit finish and then say add string grills 2x4. Now that's what you don't want to do because there's no grills on this order. So by doing this, it's very different from the order that you put in. So what what we want you to do in this scenario is to order the closest thing. So if you want grills, order the grill. See here, that's what it defaulted to. But if you want 2x4, order 2x4. Don't tell us to change it. Do whatever you can. Order the closest thing. If you want it painted, order it painted. Don't order it white and tell us that you want it painted. Unless it's something else that you can't do. Enter the order exactly how it is, and the only thing you should put in is what you want changed. So here you would just put Georgian grills. and that's it. So that way the instructions are simple and the change that you're requesting is a minor change, not a major change. So I'm going to save this one. So I'm going to do another one. Another popular one is custom color. So again, I'm going to go in. So here, when the color comes up, just pick a color. It doesn't matter which color. If you want if you want green, for example, uh, you can hit ivory. It doesn't really matter. Just pick a color because the bill of materials is a lot closer for a painted window than it is a non-painted window. So if you pick white, it's going to be a little bit more work. So what we do is we actually change the color to ivory, and then we do our edit anyways. So again, go through all your options. If you want grills on them, same thing, do it. Pick another color, pick ivory. Then you get to your special order, say yes, hit finish, and then just put custom color, green, Gentech. Of course, we're going to need some type of a color swatch in order to do this. So there's another one. I'm going to do another example here. Hopefully you're getting used to the pattern that's showing up here. So here another popular one is if you're requesting, say, obscure glass that is not on our list. So I'm going to click pinhead here. So I've picked an obscure glass. So now I'm going to say special order yes. Hit the finish, and then I'm going to say delta sandblast glass. So again, just like all the other ones, all the descriptions are very simple. They're not long-winded. They just tell me what I want changed, and you enter an order as close as possible as the item. Once that's done, just click on the special order button. Unfortunately, this one's already been submitted once, so actually you can't add more special order items to it like I just did. And that basically allows us to approve the order. We can get you a price back, and you can order custom products this way.